car collection, arrivals, information, departures, so everything. I am in the airport, so totally environment is different. So you can see we can buy a ticket at Malpensa Express going to Milano Centrale or Porta Garibaldi. There are the two important stations in Milan. So just we can buy in self-vending machine. My flight is EK92 going to Dubai at 10:20 p.m. So it is 17 check-in and B53. Terminal 1, Emirates, Dubai, EK92, 10:20 p.m. So that I need to remember. Check-in counter and boarding gate. I will go just close to the screen. So you can see Dubai, Emirates, EK92, also Iceland Air collaboration and Qantas QF 8092. So all check-in gate and Garuda Indonesia. So check-in gate 17 and B53. So it is alliance of escalator, or I can take lift. I have only one luggage, like one suitcase, small one. So I just take escalator. So now I have to go to 17 check-in desk. So I have to go to 17 check-in area. You can see this is customs. So if you have anything to claim, I think 15 I can see the big queue. I have 3 hours time, almost 2 hours 50 minutes. So I am the early one. So I just check in and go to the gate and relax there or browse net. So I can do whatever I want. So this looks like Qatar Airways. My seat is already confirmed. I have to just take boarding pass. That's it. Even I think I can take it self check-in kiosk. I have to see. See, these are all Emirates. 17. So this is first class. This is business class. Online check-in. No, I haven't done. So now I am going to economy class. That is online check-in.
You need to check in with them.
It took like 15-20 minutes. My seat is already confirmed, so just took a boarding pass. Now I have to go to Milan Airport, Milan Malpensa Terminal 1. You can see British Airways, Etihad, EasyJet and Israel Flight, Ryanair, SAS. So my gate is B53. So you can see gates A and B. So I have to show my boarding pass. Scanning security check is completed. Now I have to go for passport control. So B gate left side, A gate right side. It's a beautiful airport shops, duty free shops, and Chanel, High Street, high-end brands like Prada, everything. So excellent shops in Milan Malpensa. Malpensa is the biggest airport in Milan. I think there are 2 or 3 airports. One is Linate, another one is Linate. This is one. Passport control, better to go. You can see Gucci, Montblanc, Dolce, all high value brands. Based out of Italy. Malpensa airport is okay, not so amazing or not so bad. It is okay kind of thing. You can see but it serves the purpose. So, till now it was good, like airport train and the security check. So now we have to see how much time it will take for the passport or immigration. So all these things matters for an airport success or airport rating. Swatch, this is watches. So my gate is B53. Again I have to double check. 10:20 Dubai is B53. So 12 minutes to gate, but I have to check first passport control. Next I have to go to gate. I can't go to gate without passport control. I think immediately after entering into the flight we get dinner, so that's why I'm not eating anything. So I have opted for a vegetarian meal. So Emirates, I know the meal service is very good. Took almost like 20-25 minutes for immigration check. So it was very quick at the officer, but in the queue it was there.
మీరు ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.